Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Welcome back once again with Passive Voice. This is me, Ahmad Shah. You are watching YouTube channel, and today we will discuss the present continuous tense. The second last tense is present continuous tense. Inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss the past continuous tense, which is last tense, and after this we will discuss the imperative sentences, use applet, and we will also use the modal auxiliary verb in passive voice, and we will also discuss the direct passive voice. And today our topic is present continuous tense. So present continuous tense in Urdu, pehle haal jari zamana. As we know that each tense has three things, like number one, Urdu identification, number two, helping verbs, number three, form of verbs. The Urdu identification of present continuous tense is raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hain, raha hu, rahe ho. And the second thing is helping verb. The helping verbs of this tense is are. Okay, this helping verbs of this tense are is, are, am. Is used with singular subject and singular name. Are is used with plural names, plural subject like we, you, they. And am is used with I only, I. And the form of verb of this tense is first form of the verb with ing we use in all continuous tense. हम तमाम continuous tenses में first form के साथ ing लगाते हैं. So now we will go towards the passive voice. Like the Urdu identification of this tense in active voice is raha hai. Here we will discuss that ja raha hai, ja rahi hai, ja rahe hai, ja rahe ho, ja raha ho. Okay, and here are helping verbs. Helping verbs are is, are, am, and here the same helping verb there, but we use being with helping verbs. Is being, am being, and is being, are being, and am being. Clear? And the third thing is form of verb. Like in all continuous we use first form in ing, first form of the verb with ing in all active voice, but in passive voice we use third form of the verb with each and every tense. Like कोई मसला नहीं है, जो भी tense हो उसके साथ हम first form of the verb इस्तेमाल करेंगे. So now we will change the sentences from active voice into passive voice by following the all rules. Okay. There is a sentence. Here is a sentence. For example, हम एक जुमला बनाते हैं. Teacher is beating students. उस्ताद बच्चों को पीट रहा है. And we will change this sentence into passive voice. Students are being beaten by teachers. Now we will see the meanings. उस्ताद बच्चों को पीट रहा है. बच्चे उस्ताद के ज़रिए से पीटे जा रहे हैं. And we will change another sentence. They beat me. वो मुझे पीटते हैं. I am beaten by them. मैं उनके ज़रिए से पीटा जा रहा हूँ. Clear? And he is playing cricket. वो फुटबॉल खेल रहा है. Football is being played by him. Cricket is being played by him. Hockey is being played by him. यानी फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट या हॉकी उसके ज़रिए से खेला जा रहा है. Both have same meaning. Both little difference is there. Work is done by me and I'm working. Okay. Same sense is there. Same concept is there. So this is active voice and this is passive voice. Three things. Each tense has three things. Like here, Urdu identification, helping verb, and form of verb. The same is here in passive voice. Urdu identification, helping verb, and form of verb. So hope that you get this tense. Inshallah, we will see the next in the next lecture, like the rules once again for passive voice, and we will discuss the summary of passive voice. We will discuss the imperative sentences. We will discuss also the direct passive voice, and we will also try to change the modal auxiliary verb from active voice into passive voice. So hope you get this lecture. See you inshallah in the next video.